Finally, I'm going to talk about instrumental and vocal techniques. Symbols can be used to indicate specific breathing instructions for instrumentalists and vocalists. For example, a piece of music may use a comma-like symbol, like you see on the screen now, to indicate a natural place for a singer or player to breathe without interrupting a musical phrase too drastically. For an example in a real piece of music, like the second part of Twinkle Twinkle, a breath mark would probably be placed in between the two musical phrases, which would instruct a performer to breathe there, like this. This is important so musicians can breathe frequently enough and the piece can still sound consistent. Here are some other common instrumental techniques. On the screen now you can see a slide or glissando, which involves sliding from one pitch to another and playing the other pitches in between. This can be performed well on a variety of instruments, such as trombones, violins, pianos, and by vocalists. A trill is a musical ornament that is played by rapidly alternating between a note and the note above it. This can be played on pitched instruments and it can be sung, where it is also known as vibrato. This is what it would sound like on my instrument. And this is what it would sound like if I put it in Twinkle Twinkle. Finally, pedal marks indicate when pianists should press and release the sustain pedal on the piano. There are two ways this can be written, which you can see on the screen now, and this is what it would sound like in Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Technique markings are important because they offer further detail as to how certain notes or a piece of music should be played, which makes it easier for a musician to play a piece as the composer intended them to.